A very warm and sunny welcome from Intersolar 2026 here in Munich, with temperatures exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. As the world's leading trade fair for the solar industry, the halls are packed. The exhibitor presence is outstanding and the overall energy here is impressive. What's your take?
We've seen a broad range of products and had many insightful customer discussions. There are some exciting projects ahead, and now the focus is on execution. That's exactly where we come in, as a reliable partner, working closely with our customers to turn concepts into reality. With the product innovations we're presenting this year, we're clearly on the right track.
I believe a key factor behind this is the strong feedback loop we have with the market. Thanks to the valuable input and requirements we receive, we're able to showcase solutions that truly reflect current demand. One product category that consistently comes up in discussions, particularly when it comes to modules, is back contact technology. What insights can you share on that?
One of the central themes of this year's exhibition is module technology. In simple terms, the traditional front-side bus bars have been moved to the rear of the module. This results in a cleaner, more appealing design and, more importantly, increases the active surface area on the front. The outcome: improved efficiency.
When aesthetics and efficiency come together, that's a clear win. It's great to see such innovations gaining traction. We're also seeing significant developments in residential storage. What used to require multiple individual components has now been simplified considerably for installers. The key word here is all-in-one solutions.
All-in-one is the key topic, with many discussions around it. The trend is clearly moving toward having everything in one place, meaning stackable systems. On top, the inverter, underneath the battery modules, and possibly even an EV charger integrated directly. Super cool products from manufacturers. Everything included, scalable, stackable, and portable by one or two people. This also means they can be expanded at any time, offering maximum flexibility. There is also a lot of development in MPP trackers. Devices are equipped with more MPP trackers, meaning easier planning, fewer limitations, and maximum flexibility.
Great, and I assume AI is also playing a role in this area?
AI and cloud-based technologies are also gaining significant momentum. Whether it's monitoring, optimization, or the integration of complete system solutions, the trend is clearly moving towards smarter connected platforms.
Where energy is generated at scale, it must also be managed effectively. And that's where one of the key future topics comes into play: energy management. In the residential segment, we're talking about HEMS, while in the commercial and industrial space, it's EMS. Could you briefly outline this?
In the residential sector, HEMS, home energy management systems, play a key role. They enable intelligent integration of household devices such as heat pumps, EV chargers, and PV systems. This allows users to take advantage of dynamic tariffs, maximize self-consumption, and reduce overall energy costs. In the commercial and industrial segment, EMS solutions are becoming increasingly important. Businesses are focusing on integrating PV systems with their operations, large-scale storage and charging infrastructure, using energy intelligently to improve efficiency and reduce costs.
Awesome. Energy is clearly a driving force across the entire industry and among our customers. The conversations are really fantastic. We're taking away a lot of insights. Our goal has always been to build partnerships on equal footing, and I believe that's exactly what we're achieving. We're seeing strong demand, exciting new ideas, and clearly defined requirements. Fortunately, we're in a position to respond quickly and provide the right solutions.
We're seeing strong demand across the board, and we're well prepared. Thanks to our portfolio of leading manufacturers, we already have the right solutions available, many of which were launched here at the exhibition. These products are either already available in our webshop or will be shortly. This allows us to support our customers' projects immediately and reliably.
Let me take this opportunity to say a big thank you to our team, to our customers, to our manufacturing partners, and of course to all visitors who stopped by with great questions and genuine interest. If you enjoyed this, feel free to leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.
And hopefully, see you next time.
Absolutely. And if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with your Krannich contact.